So if you want to send any kind of study materials, suppose you send any videos to your friend, you don't have any kind of website. How to make a free website using Google kind of tools. In this, Google will give one kind of option is called Google Sites. They create the free software to making for links on your Google site to making a site for interview question and answers and video promotion and your service will be promotion purpose. That will be created for sites.google.com. Sites.google.com. So in this will be as a using for two versions, new site and classic sites. New site and classic site. So classic will be here. Classic will be total basic option using with the themes. So that is same like your blogger related. The same like your blogger related. So any site you will be create classic site and a new site. I'll show first of all classic site. The site creation will be two types, classic and a new site. Is a showing for total blank template or else browse any gallery for this. Future, business collection, activity or events, school and education, club and organization, personal, family, government and non-profit. These are the themes. These are the themes. But I'm not selecting any kind of templates. I'm using for blank templates. Here, first the site name. What is the site name is very, very important. Site name and URL most is important. Site name and URL most important. Now I'm using for site name web development company in Hyderabad. I'll create one website is called web development company in Hyderabad. So URL will be exact supported by 30 characters. So URL I'm remove for in. Remove for in. So every option you can use it for hyperlink. I'm not a robot. Click for create. It will be not created. The username already exists. Not creating, the username will be exist. Or else the exit will be 30 characters. Create. They're going to scroll down. So it's created perfectly done. Now click for edit. Click for edit. So what are the options are here? Same will be using here and prepare your content. Control A and Control C. Done. Next one. Here every option will be there. Insert, image, link, table of content, subpage listing, horizontal line, buttons, every will be here, including map also. So in this I'm selecting for here, insert image, insert image. So image will be selected by your particular folder. Select it. Always I'm changing for image. Yeah. Based on your keyword, you can design your image. You may add it, go for medium and large. Go for medium and large. Set for middle and will be. Then this will be your complete image tag. So image tag will be changed by your web address. Next one, scroll down. Complete content will be here. And final thing, you can add by your which one? Video. Add by which one? Video. Copy. Go to YouTube. This video will be selected by the any option by Dailymotion, Vimeo, and YouTube. Copy. Paste it. Search your video exactly. I'm selecting video. Wait a second. Select one video. Copy URL. Go to site where you can place the video. Select the pattern. Insert. You will select your all option where YouTube URL. Set your dimension. This will be your total video. Now click for save. This will be total classic version. The total will be classic version. Everything will be complete. Will be link will be in this. We can't go for exactly customize. We can't go for exactly customize. This will be your total classic version. So every information total will be your into your one page. And second one is called new version. New version will be created totally user friendly and total like as a website. That will be set new one. I'll show the two difference. Web development company in Hyderabad, website design development company in Hyderabad. I'll clear the keywords. So I'm selecting here website. Hyderabad. Copy. Paste it. You can add by logo. Upload. Upload your logo. So I'm changing for logo here. So in a classic version, I'm adding logo here. I can add the any logo here. So here also you can go for transparent. Next, remove. Add your image. Image will be here. Image format will be here. Upload. And select exact image. Select. This will be not suitable. Delete. Image. Upload here. Let's see here. Upload, change image. So is it clear? The exact will fixed by banner option. Next, coming to text. Text will be can use only for limit text. Text will be using for limit text. Any copy content will be using for notepad. Using for notepad. Why? Because I don't have any website to create by using Google Sites. This will be only for limit text. Next one, coming to our pages. Create new page. The page name is called services. Done. Title will be same. Only content will be change. Service page and insert text. Select your total text. Notepad. Control. Any website will be building. First of all, you can prepare the content will be only notepad. Done. Next one, page. Create new page. This is called contact us. There is a contact us. Will give only details. I'm not focused by my website. I will content only for details. Next one, to target your map. To target your map. Where? Go to incognito window. Go to Google. Go to Google. Search your company name. Every company, one mapping will be there. Go to maps. In these maps, we can use option call is embed code. That is called very important. When open your mapping, here click for share. Select your embed map. Copy this code. Select where you can update the mapping. Select your map. Final location, my map also. So you can search by here. The map will be came. So map will be not found out. You can use this code by embed. By embed. So map will be accept. Search your name. The map will be done. The map will be done. So this is mean by your location highlighting. So I'll create the total pages, home, services and the contact. How many pages you want, you can create by pages. Any page you can change your dimension, create by dimension. And click for what is that? Set home page, duplicate page, property, add sub page. We create the sub page also. Is it clear? Any main page, we create the n number of sub page. This option will be not valid for classic website. Add here, click for publish. Finally, select your URL. That will be go to home page, publish, add your URL. So I'm changing this option. Just the price. web design. So Hyderabad. So up to we'll go for this option. Accept your web design company and Hyderabad. Click for publish. URL structure more powerful on your particular website. Any URL accept only for 30 characters. One URL will be create one time. They can't create once again. Same URL structure by your another website. Your website will be done. Services. Finally, go to your contact us. Contact your details. Finally, seeing your map. Here we can one more option is there in your contact. You can add your contact form also. There will be dog on the option. You will be using for your form option also. Here will be showing for anything button, driver, and calculator, map, dog, slide, sheet, what that forms. We can call here the forms. So everything accepted in your Google site to making a user-friendly website to increase your traffic and increase your leads. Here, in services, you can add by your video also. Simple, select tab that is called video. Which one? Video. Go to insert from YouTube. Select your site. Copy the URL. Select it. Find it. Increase your size. Increase your size. Now click for publish. So previous how many menus are there? 3. Now refresh. How many menus totally? Showing for 4 pages. Still not updating. Once update, click for refresh. Home, services, video, and contact us. This is the making free website using Google Sites.